Hello, welcome back. Did you get a chance to watch the Canadian Grand Prix this weekend? Let's get into this. This is One Fan's Opinion. Let's talk about the Red Bull and Mercedes issue. So during the safety car, you're supposed to be at least a maximum of 10 car lengths back from the safety car. Russell was in the lead, Verstappen was right there. Russell pulls to the left, which, gives free air to the right side. Now, under a safety car, you are not supposed to pass. Russell hits the brakes, Verstappen goes past, and immediately Russell says, "Hey guys, did you see that? He's cheating." Now, earlier, Russell had made a comment about him having more points on his racing license than Verstappen. Red Bull went to the stewards and said, "Did you hear that? He's intending on doing something." So do I think that Russell, under the safety car, hit the brakes on purpose to let Max by? Yes. It is a strategic move, in my opinion, of course, to do that, to allow Max to be penalized and removed. If you can remove your opposition, why wouldn't you? Do I think it's proper? No, I don't. Now, the stewards took quite a bit of time after the race to figure out what they were going to do about it, if anything. They didn't do anything about it. Under normal circumstances, the previous years, when that has happened, the person was penalized, whether it was points or time penalty. There was some kind of repercussion for these kind of things. And that's one thing about the stewards that these days is getting frustrating. They're not staying consistent. So I don't like Verstappen, as you guys know, but something should have been done. Right is right, wrong is wrong. Anyhow, that's all I have to say at this time. Thank you for joining One Fan's Opinion. Bye-bye.